See this sweet puppy walking on a road. The second's hand is continuously moving in this clock. Oh, see that guy paragliding under the open blue sky. These glass panels with reflection of light. This colorful Ferris wheel. This road view of moving vehicles. The skateboarders doing exhibition tricks. So, what are all these? Simple. These all are objects we see. Now you may ask why we are discussing all this. Well, the reason is simple. If you observe all these objects, they are moving. They are changing their position. Some of them are applying forces and some of them are rotating. I mean, the movement is common in all of them. Now, we will relate all these objects with today's topic, that is motion. Because in simple language, the motion means moving from one place to another. So let's be more familiar with motion. Motion is basically change in position of any object with respect to time. For example, if I throw this ball upside, here the position of ball is changing and this movement is also taking some time. That means from point A to point B, the position of ball is changing and time is also changing. We call it simply motion. Now, I have one statement. All objects around us are either moving or at rest. What does this mean? For example, this bus. Now can you tell me this bus is moving or is at rest position? Everyone can easily say that. Initially, when the bus was at the bus stop, it was at rest position. And after that, it slowly starts moving. Now see this huge tree. It is at rest position. And these fishes in the sea are in motion because they are continuously moving.
Here comes a new light to broaden your sight. The new light of education will take you to new heights. It's Stulyfe. Together we unite. Download the Stulyfe app now.